Hey gearheads and car enthusiasts, it's your friendly neighborhood gear. Today, we're tackling a silent enemy that can eat your car alive. Rust. Yikes. Nobody wants that happening to their beloved ride. But fear not, because in this video, we'll be your armor against the rust menace. We'll cover everything from rust-proofing strategies to keeping your car squeaky clean and preventing those nasty orange spots. So buckle up and let's make sure your car stays strong and beautiful for years to come. The villain. Understanding rust. Alright, before we fight back, let's understand the enemy. Rust happens when iron, a major component of your car's body, reacts with oxygen and moisture. It's like a slow-motion monster, munching away at your car's metal. Areas like the undercarriage, fenders, and around chipped paint are prime targets. They're exposed to the elements. Rain, snow, salt on winter roads. The perfect recipe for rust. But wait, there's more. Tiny nooks and crannies where water can get trapped but it's hard to clean are also danger zones. Thick door jams, under the hood, and around the trunk. The heroes. Rust-proofing strategies. Okay, now that we know the villain, let's meet our heroes. Rust-proofing strategies. Here are a few champions. Professional undercoating. This is a great option, especially for new cars. Professionals spray a protective layer on the undercarriage, creating a shield against moisture and salt. DIY undercoating. If you're handy, you can try DIY undercoating sprays. Just remember, prep is key. Clean the undercarriage thoroughly and follow the instructions carefully. Waxing. Regular waxing isn't just for shine. It creates a barrier against moisture. Think of it like putting on a raincoat for your car. Paint touch-ups. Chips and scratches are entry points for rust. Deal with them quickly by touching them up with matching paint. This seals the metal and prevents further damage. Fluid film. This is a waxy, oil-based spray that's particularly good for nooks and crannies. Spray it in door jams, around the trunk, and other hidden areas. Remember, every little bit helps. By using a combination of these strategies, you'll create a multi-layered defense against rust. The sidekicks. Regular maintenance. Our heroes are awesome, but they need trusty sidekicks. Regular maintenance routines. Here's how to support your rust-proofing efforts. Washing. Give your car a good wash regularly, especially after heavy rain or snow. This removes dirt and salt that can accelerate rust. Pay special attention to the undercarriage. Car washes. Touchless car washes can be convenient, but for thorough cleaning, consider a hand wash or a car wash with an undercarriage spray option. Inspections. Don't wait for rust to become obvious. Regularly inspect your car for any signs of rust, especially in the vulnerable areas we mentioned earlier. Look for bubbles or changes in the paint texture. Catching rust early is crucial. The repair crew. Dealing with existing rust. Alright, even the best defenses can sometimes get breached. So what if you already have some rust? Don't panic. We have a repair crew ready to tackle it. Minor rust. For small rust spots, you can tackle them yourself. Sand down the area. Apply a rust converter to stop the rust from spreading and then touch up the paint. Larger rust spots. If the rust is bigger or deeper, it's best to leave it to the professionals. They have the tools and expertise to properly remove the rust, prevent it. Remember, early detection is key. The sooner you deal with rust, the easier and cheaper the repairs will be. Is your beloved vehicle letting you down? Struggling with sluggish performance, annoying rattles, or just feeling a bit past its prime? Don't worry, gearheads and car enthusiasts. RadullySpares.com is here to get your ride back on track. We're your one-stop shop for high-quality parts and accessories for all types of vehicles. Whether you're a daily driver seeking reliable maintenance parts, a weekend warrior looking for performance upgrades, or a serious car enthusiast customizing your dream machine, RadullySpares.com has everything you need. Our extensive selection covers everything from essential components like brakes and filters to exciting upgrades like spoilers and off-road tires. Rev up your ride's potential, unleash its inner power, and experience the joy of a smooth, reliable, and customized vehicle. Keeping your car healthy doesn't just involve fixing problems. It's about preventative maintenance. Regular upkeep ensures your vehicle runs smoothly, safely, and lasts for years to come. RadullySpares.com can be your partner in this mission. Find everything you need for routine maintenance on our website. Stock up on engine oil, filters, wiper blades, and other essential fluids. We offer high-quality parts at competitive prices. Taking care of your car doesn't have to be a hassle. With RadullySpares.com as your partner, you have the parts, resources, and confidence to keep your vehicle happy and healthy on the road. Visit our website today and discover a world of possibilities for your car's maintenance and performance. Integration tips. You can insert this segment right after the part where you discuss RadullySpares.com's extensive selection. Consider using the mechanic explaining the maintenance tasks to the car owner as a transition between the two segments. Bonus tip: winter warriors. For those living in areas with harsh winters, here's a bonus tip. Before winter hits, give your car a thorough undercarriage wash to remove any accumulated salt and dirt. Then, consider applying a fresh coat of rust-proofing spray, especially on the undercarriage. This extra layer of protection will go a long way in battling the harsh winter elements. Alright, folks, that's it for today. By using a combination of rust-proofing strategies, regular maintenance, and early repairs, you can keep your car looking good and running strong for years to come. Remember, a little effort goes a long way. Don't let rust win the battle. If you have any questions or tips of your own, leave them down in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more car care tips and tricks. Until next time, happy motoring! DIY